For years, we have been taught that masturbation is bad for health. In India, we are even told that semen loss is akin to death. What is the truth? There are a lot of misconceptions about masturbation, the reason being many feel weird talking about it. Although people feel uncomfortable talking about masturbation, most of us have done it at some point. It's a common practice, and when done in moderation, it's not bad for you. People derive enjoyment from masturbation, or else why should they be doing it? Some people don't masturbate. It's alright if you fit in any side of the table. Whatever people might say, masturbation is not at all bad for you. No scientific evidence suggests that it harms your mental or physical health. I'm Dr. Nankishore. Today I'll talk about whether masturbation is really bad for health as is commonly believed. Whether it's good or bad, one thing is certain, most people do it. In my practice as a clinical sexologist, more than 90% of men masturbate. My major practice includes males, so I do not have any comments to make on females. What are the common myths about masturbation? That it causes infertility, hormonal imbalance, changes in the size or shape of the penis, decreased sperm count, blindness, pimples, hairy palms, erectile dysfunction, and premature ejaculation, low libido. These are all myths, as I've already said. However, excessive masturbation or masturbating incorrectly can lead to bacterial infection, including urinary tract infections, not from masturbating itself, but from not cleaning sex toys or hands properly before use. It can also lead to skin irritation or even swelling on the penis if you masturbate too frequently or too roughly. Women might find vaginal masturbation uncomfortable or painful if they have certain conditions such as vaginal dryness or dyspareunia, which is recurring pain during vaginal penetration. What are the health benefits? For many people, masturbation is an enjoyable and pleasurable activity and it could actually benefit your health. What are the neurological effects? Masturbation can trigger the release of certain hormones. These can have a positive effect on your mental and physical health. These hormones include endorphin, a natural pain reliever that can lift your mood and reduce stress, dopamine, a hormone associated with happiness, and oxytocin, which is often called the love hormone and is associated with social bonding. These hormones may help reduce stress and improve mood. There is very little research on the effects of masturbation on sleep, but many people claim that masturbating helps them sleep better. And this makes sense because the hormones endorphins, dopamine, and oxytocin are associated with relaxation and happiness. It's no wonder why masturbating might help you fall asleep. Self awareness. Masturbating can be a good way to connect with your body on a physical, sensual, and sexual level. It might improve your sexual experience with other people as you will know more about what you enjoy and what feels good for you. In this way, masturbation can improve your sex life. Habit versus compulsion. How much masturbation is too much masturbation? While masturbation addiction is not a mental illness, it's possible to develop an unhealthy compulsion around masturbating. It's hard to say how much masturbating counts as excessive masturbation because it varies from person to person. It might be more helpful to ask yourself how you feel about masturbating. For some people, masturbating frequently is out of habit. For example, you are used to masturbating before sleep or in the shower and thus habitually do it every day. Others feel a compulsive to masturbate. For some people, masturbating frequently is out of habit. For example, you are used to masturbating before sleep or in the shower and thus you habitually do it every day. Others feel a compulsion to masturbate. The following signs might suggest you would benefit from reaching out for support. If you are having difficulty with work or learning because of constant need to masturbate, if you miss out on social activities or appointments, if you are doing it because you feel you must and not because you want to, you find it hard to stop or reduce masturbating. Well, There are no right or wrong ways to masturbate, but there are ways that might stop you from getting the ill effects. Washing your hands and any sex toys before and after masturbating, passing urine before and after masturbating to avoid urinary tract infection, use lubricant to help with dryness and to avoid friction. Are there any good reasons for abstaining from masturbation? Though masturbation can be healthy, pleasurable, and natural activity, some people may choose to abstain from masturbation when it becomes compulsive or begins to interfere with other activities or relationships. Additionally, some may also decide to abstain from masturbation for personal or religious reasons. What's a healthy level of masturbation? According to the International Society for Sexual Medicine, there is no normal frequency for masturbation. While some people may masturbate daily, weekly, or monthly, others may choose not to masturbate at all. As long as it doesn't negatively affect your relationships or interfere with other activities like school or work, masturbating as frequently as you like is safe and healthy. So, what is the takeaway from today's discussion? Masturbation is a healthy, natural, and safe way to practice self gratification. Masturbation isn't inherently bad. In fact, it can have healthy and positive effects on your mind and body. However, excessive masturbation might lead to some side effects, and it is possible to develop a compulsion to masturbate excessively. If you are experiencing difficulties masturbating or having side effects you are not comfortable with, consider reaching out to a mental health professional. Masturbating may have many benefits for your mind and body. There are typically no harmful side effects. Remember, when you masturbate, it is solely for you. It is an intimate setting that is catered to all your needs. You are your most carefree self and you don't have to share it with anyone else. There aren't many other things that offer this level of intimacy. So, with all due respect, go for it. Thanks for watching.